Chapter 6. Learn Coding with Scratch 3.0. A program is a set of stepwise instructions. A program is also known as software, which tells a computer what to do. Everything that a computer does, from starting up to shutting down, is done by a program. Any game that you play in a smartphone or computer is nothing but a program. The language used to write programs is called programming language, and the person who writes these programs is known as a programmer. In our daily life, we perform various tasks which include various steps. Therefore, every task is completed in a step-by-step manner. Let us consider the following example to understand the concept of step-by-step programming. Sarthak has joined a new school. It is his very first day in the school. He wants to go to the washroom. His teacher guides him the way to reach the nearest washroom on the same floor. She gives him instructions which are as follows. Step 1. Take left turn from the class. Step 2. Go straight till you find a water cooler. Step 3. Take the first left turn and there is boys' washroom. Likewise, a computer also follows the step-by-step instructions in order to complete any task. In this chapter, you will learn about 3.0 version of Scratch programming language.
IT facts. Scratch programming language is used in more than 150 countries. This language is available in 50 different languages.
What is Scratch? Scratch software is a graphical programming language. This software helps children learn the basic programming concepts by creating interactive projects. It is a drag and drop programming language where ready-made blocks of codes are dragged to create programs, games, puzzles, stories, animations, cartoons, and artwork. Scratch is an easy-to-use programming language. It provides a simple and interactive environment which allows children to learn programming in a fun way. Starting Scratch. To start Scratch 3.0, click on the Start button. Scratch 3. The Scratch window appears on the screen.
No more. You can download Scratch from its official website www.scratch.mit.edu. IT facts. Scratch program was created by Michelle Resnick in 2003 at the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab.
Components of Scratch window. There are various components in Scratch 3 window. Let us now learn about each component. Sprite. It is a small graphic character which performs all the actions in Scratch window. The default sprite in Scratch is a cat as shown here. Scratch allows the users to change the sprite. Stage. It is the main area where the program is executed. On the stage, the sprite acts on the blocks of code defined by the user. Its dimensions are 480 pixels width and 360 pixels length. The position of a sprite on a stage is specified on the bottom right corner in the form of X and Y coordinates. The important part of stage are backdrop. The background of the stage is called backdrop. It can be changed as per the requirement. Stage view control buttons. On the top right corner of the stage, there are 3 buttons available. These buttons are used to control the view size of stage. Go button. This button is indicated by a green flag. It is located at the top left corner of the stage. Clicking on this button starts the execution of a script. Stop button. This is a red button located next to the Go button. Clicking on this button stops the running script. Script. It is a step-by-step instruction which makes a sprite perform actions. A script is formed using the codes of blocks. A script is also called a program. Blocks palette. This area contains different sets of blocks. There are 9 different block categories displayed on the block menu, vertical pane. Each block category is specified by a different color and has different uses and functions. All the blocks look like a piece of a puzzle. Add extension button. This button is located at the bottom of the block menu. Clicking on this button opens a gallery of additional block categories such as pen, music, text-to-speech, and so on. Code or script area. This area is used to create scripts. Snapping the blocks together forms a block stack or script for the sprite. Sprites pane. This pane is located right below the stage. This pane displays information such as name and picture of the added sprite or sprites with its XY position, direction, and size. This pane enables you to make certain changes to the sprite. The Choose a Sprite button, located at its bottom right, allows the users to add or change the sprite. Stage pane. This pane is also located right below the stage. It displays the thumbnail of the backdrop used in a project. From here, you can change the backdrop using the Choose a Backdrop button. Tabs. The 3 tabs available in Scratch 3.0 version are shown here.
No more! There are a range of tutorials available in the Scratch Tutorials library. To access the Tutorials library, click on the Tutorials button present on the menu bar.
Types of blocks in Scratch. Block category. Description. Motion. It provides instructions to control the movements and turns of a sprite. Looks. It has instructions to change the appearance of a sprite. Sound. It contains the instructions to control the sound or speech of a sprite. Pen. It provides instructions to control the drawing pen of a sprite. Control. It has instructions to control the execution of a sprite. Sensing. It contains instructions to sense the input given through the keyboard during the execution of a script. Operators. It provides instructions to add various arithmetic, relational operators in the script. Dragging a block to code area. In Scratch, a program is formed using the blocks. To form a script for the selected sprite, blocks are dragged from the blocks palette to the scripts area. They are stacked in a desired sequence. It is a simple task. Look at the given illustration. Creating a new project. To create a new project, follow the steps given here. On the menu bar, click on the File menu. Select the New option in the drop-down menu. A new project opens. Moving a sprite. We can move a sprite in any direction onto the stage. To move a sprite onto stage, do as follows. Select the Motion block category. Click and drag the Move 10 Steps block to the scripts area. Now, change the numbers of steps from 10 to 30 in the editable white box. Now the sprite will move as per the newly defined number of steps. Select and drag the Turn 15 degrees block to scripts area and snap it right below the Move 30 steps block. In the scripts area, click anywhere on the script. The sprite moves 30 steps forward and turns 15 degrees in clockwise circular motion on the stage. Keep clicking on the script as many times as you wish.
No more! To delete a block on the code area, right-click on it and select the Delete Block option In the shortcut menu,
Drawing a colorful circle. Various patterns can be drawn on the stage with the help of pen block menu. Let us learn how to draw a colorful circle using the pen blocks. To do so, follow the steps given here. Click on the Add Extension button present at the bottom of the Blocks menu pane. The Choose an Extension gallery appears as shown in the figure. Select the pen block extension. The pen block menu appears on the Blocks palette. Create the blocks tag as shown in the figure. Motion block. Move steps and turn degrees. Pen block extension. Pen down, set pen size to, and change pen color by. Change the values in the blocks as shown in figure. In the scripts area, keep clicking anywhere on the script. Notice as the sprite moves, it draws a colorful trail behind it, which later appears as a circle, creating a duplicate of sprite. To create a duplicate of a sprite, do as follows. Create the blocks tag as shown in the figure. Motion block. Move steps and if on edge, bounce. Pen block extension. Stamp, pen down, set pen color to, and set pen size to. Make the changes in the blocks as shown in figure. Click anywhere on the script to run the project. Keep clicking on the script as many times as you wish. Notice as the sprite touches the edge of the stage, it bounces back onto the stage but upside down. Making sprite say and think. To make a sprite say and think, Looks block menu is used. The words that a sprite says or thinks are shown using a speech bubble during the execution of a program. To make a sprite say or think something, do as follows. Create the blocks tag as shown in the figure. Motion block. Move steps. Change the number of steps in the editable white area. Looks block. Say for seconds. Think, say, and next costume. Edit the message in the white area as per your requirement. Click anywhere on the script to run the project. Notice the output on the stage.
no more. Projects created in Scratch 3.0 version are saved with the extension .sb3.
Saving a project. To save a project, follow the steps given here. On the menu bar, click on File. In the drop-down menu, select Save to your computer option. The Save As dialog box appears. In the left pane, select the location where you wish to save the project. In the File Name field, enter a suitable name for your project. Click Save. The project is now saved in the defined location of your computer. Opening a project. To open a saved Scratch project, do as follows. Click on File. In the drop-down menu, select Load from your computer option. The Open dialog box appears. Search and locate the required project. Select the project and click Open. The selected project opens on the screen. Exiting Scratch. To exit Scratch application, click on the Close button present on the top right corner of the Scratch window. If your project is not saved or you have not saved the recent changes made in the project, Scratch prompts you to save it. Click Stay option to abort the operation and come back to the Scratch desktop. Click Leave option to exit the Scratch application without saving the project.
Quick recall. A program is a set of stepwise instructions which tells a computer what to do. The language used to write programs is called programming language. Scratch software is a graphical programming language. Sprite is a small graphic character which performs all the actions in Scratch window. Stage is the main area where the sprite acts on the blocks of code specified by the user. The background of the stage is called backdrop. Script is a step-by-step instruction which makes a sprite performs certain actions. Blocks palette contains different sets of blocks. There are 9 block categories displayed on the block menu, vertical pane. Motion blocks allow the users to move a sprite in any direction onto the stage. Pen blocks help creating various colorful patterns on the stage. Looks category blocks are used to make a sprite say and think. Projects created in Scratch 3.0 version are saved with the extension .sb3.